The other one will be better view.
So bro, how's the view like?
It's very fun.
Maybe
Next time in 30 years I'll be a bird watcher also.
Oh.
Want to take a look at Kingfisher? The mix of the Chinese, usually the males, migrants, and the local Malay women folk. Hence the piranha prints. Yeah, mostly either in Penang, Malacca, or Singapore. Yeah, the 3 British colonies in this part of the world. Yeah, of course they have many other sub varieties. You can tell that to me.
I don't cannot see also.
Oh, okay.
This is okay.
Yeah, that's how it sounds like.
How do you sound like chong chong chong?
Yeah, dong, dong. It sounds like
Okay, describe for me.
the way I feel like it sounds like 2 magic pebbles bouncing off each other.
Magic pebble.
Please.
Like dong dong. Yeah, like that. That's what I feel. Maybe if I can play a recording game.
So what's the history? The history
What's
is
the
that
mosquito, guys?
Singapore was established as a British colony. Alright. The British were first in India. Right, in the cities in India, when there's a lot of trash and rubbish, which birds do you see coming to feed on the trash?
Pigeon?
Crows. The house crow or the Indian crow. Right? And these Indian crows, being very smart, some of them may have hitchhiked upon some of the ships and sailed on to the rest of the British Empire. So they have come from India to maybe Calcutta, Penang, Malacca, Singapore. Right? And in its homeland, the crow, even though it's known as a very smart bird and highly aggressive actually, so you won't want to go near a crow's nest, right, when it's got chick. But there's this other bird, right? Some of you may know about this. This family of birds are very stealthy parents. When the crow's parents are away, this bird will sneak in, the mother bird, and lay its own egg. Most of the time, the egg will look almost exactly like the parent bird. It leaves before it's discovered. Alright, this intruder egg will hatch first. It matures faster, and even when it's blind, most birds are born blind. What's the first act it will do after it has gained life? It will push the other egg, it kills another life. It kills out the host egg, leaving itself with its adopted parents. So as its adoptee, how does it encourage the adopter to feed it?
Open the mouth.
Opens its gate. This bird here actually coincidentally has a very wide gate. Right? So to the parent crows, they actually don't see the rest of the bird behind the open mouth. So this is known as the gate instinct. This gate instinct, opening the mouth, right, triggers the bird to just continue feeding it. So eventually this bird may become 2 to 3 times bigger than its adoptive parent, the foster parent. Right? Quite amazing, right? That the foster parent cannot recognize it, that it's not its own child. Right? As it keeps feeding it. So this phenomena is known as brood, B-R-O-O-D. That means the young, brood parasitism. So it's a very highly successful reproductive strategy. Yeah?
You want to try?
Yeah. So next time if you have children, just foster them away.
Yeah, foster them.
Save you $1 million in Singapore, according to last count. Yeah. So they are known as the cuckoos.
See you all around.
The cuckoos. Yeah. Cuckoo birds. The cuckoo clock is named after that, the European cuckoo. Right. And when this Asian example of the cuckoo in Asia is named after its call. Yeah. So you just heard the call earlier. Anyone can imitate the call? Yeah. So in India, it comes in various variants, but it's usually here in Singapore, most people pronounce it as the Asian koel or koel. Yeah, and that's what it does. So as the presence of the Indian crow occurred around from India onwards, this Asian koel also followed the host parent. So from India to Bangladesh, Burma, which is also a British colony. Not a British colony. Was it a British colony? dependency, I think, almost, right? Then downwards to Thailand, Malaysia, and thereafter we find this bird in Singapore. So this is the history of the Asian koel.
I mean, sea freight or.
It probably just followed where the crows were, the inland route.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it wasn't brought. But you see, the British would have loved to have, for example, the crow here in the first place. Because as I mentioned, right, the crows were providing free service to the town council, right, picking up all the rubbish. But after that, when we started to have human cleaners instead, what happened to the crows?
The hornbills, the moment they start screaming, it's like super noisy. Like, I will cry if they start screaming.
You know how they scream.
I don't know how to.
Hornbill.
How about you?
Yes.
How do you imitate a hornbill scream?
I can't.
Sea snakes.
So how do we tell that snakes have evolved from animals to snakes?
So they don't know where is the snake. So yeah, look at the snakes. And I think everyone never seen snakes before. Puppies. Is your first time seeing it?
No. But
Yeah.
I guess it's my second time since I started diving. So it's super rare. Today must buy 4D. Today what day? 1610.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know, it's 10:30 and we are just at the beginning of the mangrove.
Oh shit.
So maybe I would say before 12.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have to go before 12 also. Bro, yeah man, suck it up man.
Mosquitoes are sucking me.
Can be found in London currently. At the time when it's still warm, it creates a fruit. There's a flower and it creates a fruit that looks like this.
Do you have?
Yeah, try not to give the clue away lah. Doesn't matter, right? A fruit like this, you cut it up. There's a palm seed inside, which is soaked in sugar solution. So it creates something like this.
Oh, this one is our ice kacang ah.
Yeah, it is served in the ice dessert, ice kacang.
Oh guys, that's how you get ice kacang.
Yeah,
the
okay.
thing inside.
Pass it around. The seed. You can see whether it's light or hard or heavy and fruit. Sorry? It's been in my fridge for quite a while, but it's still good, I think.
Oh, so light. Nah bro,
Yeah, but it has been around for a long time.
bro after this we eat ice kacang already bro. Yeah, ice kacang.
I'm sure the locals among us who have eaten this before.
I do. Sorry.
Come, take yourself.
Oh, serious? Like now?
Yeah, of course. I believe in experiential learning. So we were using our sense of touch. Now you get a sense of taste.
Never mind, you got a certified medic already. I
So
have
it grows in the shell.
It comes
Yeah.
from that seed just now, this one, a young seed. And then boiled in sugar solution.
And
It's
it-
not naturally. From
That
this
one.
plant.
From this
The
plant.
middle.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, this palm.
Okay, let's do
Called
a
the
first test.
etak palm. Or nipa palm lah.
What it tastes like?
Like a candy?
Yeah. Want to try?
Yeah, sure.
Really? Yeah. Palm seed.
Then after that you go buy ice kacang.
Yeah, palm seeds are commonly eaten, right? Like the coconut, for example, is also a palm. Yeah. Yeah. Palm nectar is also collected and harvested, usually fermented into alcoholic drink. Yeah, called toddy. Yeah. Yeah. Delicious. Okay. Yeah. When we go back to the hawker
buy
center,
that?
maybe you can get the
Ice
dessert.
buy
that or
Chendol.
you have to harvest it?
Yeah, you have to harvest it, of course, but you can buy it.
Oh, okay.
It's quite commonly available.
How's it called?
Sorry.
What's the name?
Atap seed. That's in the local dialect here. Or atap seed. Palm. Atap palm seed. ATTAP. The leaves are actually used to thatch the roof. So traditional coastal villages, you may come across them talking about atap roof or atap huts. Yeah. And when paper was very expensive, the leaves were actually used to roll tobacco too. So Okay, folks, I think if we take a slow walk, if we take a walk back to where we were, it will end at 11, right? So unless you all want to extend it, then I'm prepared to explore more of it. Any burning desire either way? Because we can still proceed for lunch. Continue?
Well, continue a bit.
Continue a bit? Okay, let's see where we can go. This is a bigger loop, but I think this is a shorter loop. Yeah, we go through the middle. Lah.
Especially after cruise.
Okay. If not, I think we are done. Thanks for coming.
Thanks, Lepak. Should we take a in? Now you will need to. Because there's only 2 of us. Like a 12 No, like you being
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, on the field. Me love you. Okay guys, come, let's faster take a selfie. I'm not wearing mask. I feel like an idiot.
You